I'm just gonna
Lagging
record.
like shit.
I'm tired of this.
Lagging like true shit right now. I bet he's gonna fucking enemy us and kill me.
Where's it at?
Right behind snow.
Behind? I'm coming.
Monkey's coming back. Monkey's coming back.
Wait, you killed him?
No, TVT monkey.
I'm already out of pods. This is so gay.
Come to the front of it. Come to the front.
Alright, I'm here.
Me and Mason are both up here.
Yeah, but whenever I was getting hit by him, dude, I wasted like 5 Enderpearls trying to get away. Oh, that's amazing. What the hell? I shot myself? Someone trying to shoot us?
Oh,
For bacon.
Kill the bacon. Oh my
Go
gosh.
back up.
Where'd you guys go?
Get recorded, kid.
Oh, monkey's
Get
here.
recorded. He's gonna be in here.
Yo, I'm trapped, boys.
Oh, TVT monkey. I got you. Whoa! He just regen.
Is he running?
I'm gonna get him recorded if he gets up there. I'll do it.
That
Don't
guy
do
had
it.
long.
Bye bye, TVT. GG, TVT. Recorded. Get recorded, man.
There's so many chunk updates. I don't know why. This guy keeps on telling me there's no point of killing him.
Alright.
It's just kind of fun to kill him. It's the only reason I'm doing it.
Alright, I'm